Welcome to the best picks. The best YouTube setup is probably one of the most important aspects of starting your channel, and it can be overwhelming for beginners to navigate the vast world of cameras, microphones, and lighting. This video will cut through the noise and provide you with a simple, affordable, and effective equipment list to get you started creating high-quality videos without breaking the bank or needing a film degree, so you can focus on what matters most, creating engaging content and growing your audience. Number 5. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple USB connection, making it easy to plug and play with your PC or laptop. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording vocals, podcasts, or Skype calls. Enjoy high-quality sound for your recordings with minimal effort. This microphone offers excellent sound quality with a wide frequency response. The cardioid condenser capsule captures clear audio while minimizing background noise. It's perfect for home studios and professional projects. The sturdy boom arm provides flexible positioning. It features 180 degrees up and down rotation and 135 degrees forward and backward extension, ensuring optimal placement for any recording situation. Get the perfect angle every time. A double pop filter is included to reduce plosives and other unwanted noises. This ensures your recordings are crisp and professional, free from distracting pops and hisses. Your voice will sound its absolute best. It comes with everything you need: a shock mount, a durable boom arm, a double pop filter, and a long USB cable. The sturdy construction and included accessories ensure you're ready to record right out of the box. The microphone is incredibly easy to set up and use. The adjustable boom arm allows for comfortable positioning, and the included accessories ensure you're ready to record in no time. Get great results, effortlessly. What we like. It boasts a simple USB connection, making setup a breeze. Its cardioid condenser captures crystal clear audio while minimizing background noise. If you need a high-quality, easy-to-use microphone with a durable boom arm for podcasting or streaming, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound quality is clear and professional, perfect for voiceovers, YouTube, and gaming. The adjustable boom arm and shock mount provide great stability, and the plug-and-play USB feature makes it easy to use with my computer. Taking it out of the box, it seemed like it was built okay, if you judge build based on weight. The microphone itself was pretty lightweight, not like other studio mics I have used in the past for music recording. The parts are light aluminum and have the feel of a desk lamp of similar style. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. When you first get the mic, it is a very simple setup, really just plug and play. The audio quality is good for the price range. Number 4. FIFINE K669 USB Podcast Mic. It's the FIFINE K669 USB microphone. Enjoy superior sound quality without any complicated setup. Just plug it in and start recording. It works perfectly with your Mac or Windows computer. No need for a sound card or phantom power, it's that simple. This microphone features a convenient volume control knob. Easily adjust the volume, mute, or unmute with a simple twist. Its durable metal construction and adjustable stand ensure stability and portability. You'll have a secure setup wherever you go. With its cardioid polar pattern, it captures clear audio for podcasts, YouTube videos, or online chats. Your voice will always sound its best. Whether you're podcasting, gaming, or chatting with friends, it delivers clear and crisp audio. It's the perfect tool for clear communication. What we like. This microphone is incredibly easy to use, with a simple plug-and-play design and a handy volume control knob. It's built to last with its sturdy metal construction. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward USB microphone for basic recording needs, this is a great choice. What people say. It's super easy to use. You literally just plug it in and it's ready to go. It immediately improved my audio quality and therefore also made my editing a lot easier too. Love that it has an input volume control on the unit and the tripod is sturdy. My students have noticed the improvement in the voice quality too. The K669 sounds really good on speech, especially at its price point. It's super easy to use, and it comes in different colors too. Number 3. LINCO Lincostore AM169 Studio Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create professional photos and videos. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. These soft boxes eliminate harsh shadows and soften your light, creating a more flattering and professional look. The highly reflective silver interior maximizes light output. Use these umbrellas to diffuse your light even further, ideal for product shots, portraits, or video work. They create a soft, even illumination. These durable lamp holders are easy to adjust, ensuring you can always get the perfect lighting angle. The spring-loaded umbrella hole makes setup a breeze. This kit includes adjustable stands and a crossbar for easy setup of your backdrop. It's portable and sturdy, perfect for on-location shoots. These energy-efficient bulbs provide bright, daylight-balanced illumination, ensuring accurate color reproduction in your photos and videos. This kit includes 3 high-quality muslin backdrops in black, white, and green, giving you a variety of options for your projects. The pocketless design makes them easy to use. The included carrying bag is durable, waterproof, and designed to hold all the components of this kit. It makes transport easy and protects your investment. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for professional-looking videos, including softboxes, umbrellas, and 3 different backdrop colors. It's perfect for creating a well-lit and visually appealing recording space. If you're starting out and need a comprehensive lighting solution, this kit is a great value. What people say. All of these lights, backdrop setup and selfie stick that all fits in a small bag. Very sturdy. The lights do need to be set down completely on the top of the stand, and the stands are powder-coated, so they don't slip easily. The hardware is solid, and I never thought it would break or fall over. Assembly is easy and quick, and everything fits in the packing bag, as expected. Number 2. Sony ZV-1 camera. It's the ultimate camera for content creators. With its advanced features, creating stunning videos has never been easier. Capture incredibly detailed and vibrant videos in 4K HDR. It's perfect for showcasing your creativity. The 20.1 MP sensor and large aperture lens ensure exceptional image quality, even in low light. It boasts fast hybrid autofocus, real-time IAF, and real-time tracking, keeping your subjects perfectly in focus. The side flip-out touchscreen makes it easy to capture stunning selfies and vlogs from any angle. It features a high-quality built-in microphone with a detachable windscreen for clear audio, and it also has a 3.5mm mic jack. It has features like product showcase setting and automatic exposure that make creating professional-looking videos a breeze. Go live anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for connecting with your audience in real time. With the Sony ZV-1, your imagination is the only limit. Start creating amazing content today. What we like. It captures stunning 4K HDR video and has a built-in microphone for great sound. The flip-out screen makes it easy to record vlogs and selfies. If you want a high-quality camera that's perfect for creating professional-looking YouTube videos, this is a top contender. What people say. Having a compact option with a decently fast lens. The lens could be wider, it could be longer. For what it is, it's a good compromise, has a decent enough range and fast lens, which is needed for a one sensor. The front flip screen. It makes talking head videos easier to shoot, putting it on a tripod and still having a hot-cold shoe for an external mic or a light source is fantastic. The image and video quality is outstanding, with crisp details and vibrant colors that make my content pop. Number 1. Mini Mic Pro Wireless Microphone. It delivers incredibly clear and stable audio with a range of up to 260 meters, thanks to its advanced digital transmission and near-zero latency codec. Plus, it comes with windproof covers and replacement sponge heads for reliable audio in any situation. These wireless microphones capture every detail, even in noisy environments. The high-sensitivity microphones and noise reduction technology ensure superior sound quality. It's compatible with iPhones, iPads, Android devices, and computers. Simply connect it via Lightning or USB-C, it's better than Bluetooth. It's the wireless microphone used by top creators. You can hold it or clip it on, freeing you from tangled wires for clear recordings near or far. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it provides up to 6 hours of use on a single 2-hour charge. You can even charge your device while using it. For iPhones and iPads, ensure Bluetooth is OFF. For Android devices, enable the OTG function before use. It's compatible with devices featuring Lightning or USB-C ports. What we like. This wireless microphone system provides crystal clear audio with its advanced digital transmission. The omnidirectional sound ensures you capture every detail, and the wireless design gives you freedom of movement. If you need high-quality wireless audio for mobile recording, this is an excellent option. What people say. The mics and receiver worked perfectly. My iPhone, using the USB-C to Lightning adapter, included, paired, and I was ready to record. I had basically the same experience using Lightning adapter on iPad, iPhone, as well as USB-C, no adapter, on Mac and Windows. I was immediately able to record using Twisted Wave, incredible iOS recorder editor, by the way, GarageBand, and Audacity. The sound quality of these labs is actually very good for mics this inexpensive. The Mini Mic Pro wireless microphone is a total game changer for mobile content creation. Whether I'm using it with my iPhone, iPad, or Android, the sound quality is crystal clear and professional. The lavalier mic is discreet, easy to use, and perfect for capturing high-quality audio on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.